it's not the first time you came to Venezuela. I assume you've been here before. And what you can say about you know, the sport here? There's a lot of people that skate here. Each time we do this kind of events, I mean, there's even more people of this. Everyone with their skateboards, skating. There's a lot of people practicing here. And I assume you saw this time, the last time. I mean, you can say there's talent here. They moving well. Something.
Well, I think when you put on an event like this, it excites the skaters because they have an event to go to. They feel appreciated. You know, sometimes when you're just skating in the streets and everyone's yelling at you and you feel like a bad guy, you know, you're not appreciated. People can't always see the beauty in what you're doing. So when an event like this happens, the skaters feel good. You know, they get excited. I'm glad to come here again. You know, both times I've been here, I've had a great time. The Venezuelan skaters are very passionate, and that's everything. It's all about passion. It's all about passion and love for skating, and that's why I came back.
And you're being only here in Venezuela, or which places in Latin America you're being already?
I've been in Brazil and Argentina.
In Brazil and Argentina, yeah. And it's the same like phenomenon.
Yeah, most Latin American skaters in general, very passionate, work very hard. You know, hard workers, you know.
Okay, which leads me to the next question. You know, there's a bunch of guys that skate, that want to do this with their life, you know, but here they have the problem. Do I have to go to college and get a career at the university, or should I just do this? You know, but it's difficult to pursue a career here.
Everybody around the world has that problem, you know. You can't always make a career out of skating itself. It's for only so few people, so few. But you can always skate your whole life. This guy, he's 49 years old. He skates. He skates. You know, you can skate and have fun your whole life. And there's other things in skateboarding that you can do. You can participate in you know, selling skateboards, in doing magazines, in putting on events. Taking photographs, video, there's always something you can do to participate if you really want to. You can't always make a career, but you can always do it for fun. And I tried to tell people that I would be skateboarding today if I was not a professional. They don't believe me, but when I started skateboarding when I was 14, this was a life decision. I decided to skate for the rest of my life. That's how much it means to me.
Well, that wants me. I have a little cousin that admires you a lot, and you know, he skates very well, and his dream is like getting a sponsor or something like that. He always asks me, what do you tell to my little cousin that he admires to you?
How many people can become professional football players? How many? Everyone dreams, everyone has dreams. It takes a very passionate individual who thinks of nothing else. Completely narrow focus. I'm going to skate, I'm going to be pro. That means everything, nothing matters. School doesn't matter. Friends do not matter. Girls do not matter. Drugs do not matter. Cars do not matter. Who really wants to do that? I did. Me too. Do you want to do it? That's up to you. That is an individual. That has nothing to do with where you live in the world. That has nothing to do with politics, religion. Nothing. It just is about heart and passion, and if you have it, you can do anything. But who really wants to give everything up? Really just do everything. And you have to be talented too. Some talent. Some. You don't need a lot. I have 1% talent, 99% passion.
Thank you, Vallely. Those words means a lot. Can you please pose with the magazine, you know?
Yeah. I can't see anything.
No worries.
First for you, ma'am.
For the picture.